I'm gonna show you how to add custom thank you page in Tally.so. So to get started, you have to open Tally.so and then sign in into your account so you can see all of your workspace. So from here, it's either you can create a new form or you can just edit your old form. So from here, I'm just if you click on new form, you will be redirected to a new form, or just have to, if you have already a workspace, so you can just press back and then click on edit on your workspace. So from there, when you click on edit, when you add a thank you page, all you have to do is just press the plus button on the block that you wanted to add the custom page. So from here, you can see the plus button right here. So from here, I'm gonna add a thank you page. So if you click on the plus button, all you have to do is scroll down and then go to layout blocks and then click on thank you page, and after that click on insert. So that's it. That's how to add your custom page in Tally.so.